Hey everyone, so the next time you go over to our site, to the shop, you're going to see a new way to find products that you need, hopefully with a little less overwhelm. So to get to the shop, if you're on the home page, you can just click on products, or you can go to contentsparks.com/shop. And then you'll see that at the top here above everything, there are some new filters you can use. You can filter by topic. Now, if you're like this, where you're not quite far down the page, you might have to click down the page just one click to get everything to show. But you can see topic covers all our different main topic categories. Format has things like articles, challenges, coaching tools, etc. You can set a slider for price to limit what price each product is. You can pick just the things that are on sale, and then there's the usual sorting options that is built into Woocommerce. So the way you would use that is pick what you want. So say I want business planning and I also want coaching. And then I only want, say, let's see, courses with sales funnels. And that's it. I'm going to pick, and I'm going to click on apply filters, and you can see I got 34 results. They're all different things here, and you can see what filters you chose as well. So you can always add extra ones as well. So say I only want to click ones on sale, and I'll see that there are only 2. So I'll apply the filters again. That added that extra filter, and you can see that these 2 are on sale. Stand out in a crowded market and create your ideal customer profile. And then to go back, you just click clear filters, and then you'll get everything again. So again, you just might need to scroll down one click to be able to see all those topics. And of course, you still have the search bar at the top here underneath me, and you can always quickly access what's in your cart. So for instance, the integrate AI tools to enhance productivity, I just added that to the cart. I can go to view cart from there, or I can always find it in up here in this little drop down and go to checkout or cart from there. So hopefully that'll help. Let me know what other types of overwhelm you're facing with our site, because I'm continuing to try to optimize things and make it easier for you. All right, take care now, everyone.